Hello my shadow crafters, how you doing? Shadow Stalker here. Sorry, excuse me. I'm hoping everybody had a great Christmas. Mine was a bit disappointing as I stated in my previous video that my mother passed away on Christmas Eve, so I hope we have an awesome new year coming our way. But I have another mystery package from AliExpress. The other video had mystery bags, and this is a mystery box. Oh, it doesn't want to go open up. This box cost me $20. Mystery bags cost me $5 each, which turned out to be $20 in the end. And this one's supposed to have everything the other bags had, plus tools and stuff, so we'll find out. Okay, let's start from the back. Oh, that's cute. It's a skeleton mold. Got all the pieces. That's cute. That is definitely going in to my Halloween collection. Okay. What's in the bag? I think they're bezels because they're clanking around. Oh, there's a whole bunch of different ones in there. That's cute. A bat and an angel, and this is bent. Okay, that's fixed. Bat and angel hearts. Bezels. Butterfly. Coffin. Heart. Stars. Key. Is this another one like this? It's the same exact one. And the crown and the diamond. Okay. What's this? Dried flowers. Alphabet glitter. Goes with that collection. Tweezers, I got 1,000,001 of these. Ooh. Teeny confettis. Ooh. Holographic hearts. I already got one of these. Jingle Bell shaker mold. Oh, boba tea. Are they holographic or are they just... That's just glitter. Oh, this is cool. Some gems and a little dolphin. I like that. A bow, a heart. Ooh. Fish sticks. Nice. Yeah, this is not bad for $20 so far. Oh. Open up. Oh, what is silicone stirring sticks. I love these. Well, I'll get to that later. What else is in the bag? Oh. I don't know what they call these. I guess you can stick them in shaker molds, but that's a nice bag. It's got triangles, moons, stars. Some beads. Ooh. I don't know what's in there. Let's find out. Yes. Why stand on ceremony? It's gonna go all over the place. Just watch. This is packed. I can't really tell what's in it, but it's packed. I'm gonna have to find something else to put it in because it is falling all over the place. More beads. They may actually come in handy. And that's it for that. Let's find out what this is. Cellophane. Holographic cellophane. Ooh, this is nice. That's a nice huge piece. I like that. Okay. Thank you all for stopping by and watching my video here. If you like what I'm showing you, don't forget to buy me some coffee so I can keep these videos going. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and try to have an awesome new year.